I welcome to all on the course of Element of Mechanical Engineering. In the last video, we are discussed about the continuity equation and the Bernoulli equation. Today we are going to solve some problem based upon the continuity equation. So this is the first problem based upon the continuity equation. So let's start the problem. The diameter of the pipe at the section 1 and the 2 are 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. Find the discharge through the pipe if the velocity of the water flowing through the pipe at the section 1 is 5 meter per second, and determine also velocity at the section 2. So when you are going to solve this type of problem, first you have to draw the diagram accordingly question. So in this question, one pipe is there and having different diameter. The inlet diameter section 1 10 centimeter and the outlet diameter the section 2 that is the 15 centimeter. So accordingly we have to draw the diagram. So now you observe this is the pipe and the inlet of this pipe diameter having 10 centimeter and at the outlet diameter is 15 centimeter. And in this question the pipe at the section 1 5 meter per second. So at the section 1 the velocity is given 5 meter per second, and in this question asked find out the velocity at the section 2. So this is about the given data given in the question. So this is the diagram. Now first you have to convert the unity to SI form. Now here in the question is given diameter D1 is 10 centimeter. Then you have to convert to meter, divide by 100, then it will come 0.10 meter. Then D2 is 15 centimeter. Then you will divide 100, then it will come 0.15 meter. Then we will calculate the area at the inlet and calculate the area at the outlet. In the inlet the diameter is given, that is 0.10. So all of you know that the area formula is pi by 4 d square. So you are calculating area at the inlet. So A1 is equal to pi by 4 into d1 square. So pi by 4 d1 is 0.10 square. So if you calculate, you will get 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. Like that, you have to calculate the area at the outlet. So A2 is equal to pi by 4 d2 square. So pi by 4 d2, that is 0.15, then pi by 4 into 0.15 square, then it will come 0.0176 meter square. So accordingly continuity equation, if the fluid is incompressible, then we can write A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. So we are using that equation, continuity equation, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 when the fluid is incompressible. So in this question the A1 you are calculated, V1 given in the question, and A2 you are calculated. So we can write the V2 is equal to A1 V1 by A2. A1 you are calculated just now, 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 3 into V1, that is 5 by A2 0.0176. So here you will get the V2 is equal to 2.23 meter per second. So at the outlet determine the velocity at the section 2. So at the outlet the velocity is 2.23 meter per second. Then we are going to second question. A 40 centimeter diameter pipe conveying water branches in two pipes of diameter 30 centimeter. So diameter 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. If the average velocity in the 40 centimeter diameter pipe is 3 meter per second, find the discharge in this pipe. Also determine the velocity in 20 centimeter of pipe if the average velocity in 30 centimeter diameter pipe is 2 meter per second. So accordingly we have to draw the diagram. So here the 40 centimeter diameter pipe conveying water. So here in this pipe water is flowing, and at the inlet of this pipe and having diameter 40 centimeter and branches in a two section and branches in a two pipe. Now you observe this is the your main section or main diameter of the pipe, and this pipe at the end is divided into two pipes, in branches in a two pipes. One pipe having diameter 30 centimeter, then another pipe having diameter 20 centimeter. And if the average velocity in the 40 centimeter diameter pipe is 3 meter per second, so now average velocity is 3 meter per second. Find the discharge in this pipe. So at this point you have to calculate the discharge. Then determine the velocity of the velocity in 20 centimeter of pipe. Here in the this is the 20 centimeter of pipe. Here you have to calculate the velocity. If the velocity is 30 centimeter diameter pipe is 2 meter per second. So this is the 30 centimeter diameter pipe having velocity 2 meter per second. So this is the main pipe. At the end it is branches to two pipe having different diameter. One is 30 centimeter, second one is the 20 centimeter, and 30 centimeter pipe velocity is given 2 meter per second, and in the 20 centimeter pipe you have to calculate the velocity, that is the V3. At the inlet you are taking section 1, and the 30 centimeter pipe you are taking section 2, and the 20 centimeter of pipe you are taking section 3. Now let's solve this is the given data. So given data D1 is given 40 centimeter. First you have to convert all the unity to the meter or SI form. So you have to divide 100, that will come 0.40 meter. D2 is given 30 centimeter, you have to divide 100, that will come 0.30 meter. D3 is given 20 centimeter, you have to divide 100, that will come 0.20 meter. So velocity V1 is given 3 meter per second, V2 is given 2 meter per second. So in this problem these are the data given. So now you have to calculate the velocity at the state 3 and the rate of flow at the section 1. For that reason first you have to calculate the area at the different section, means section 1, 2, 3. At 3 section diameter are given, so we can calculate the area. So the area at the inlet of this pipe A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square, pi by 4 D1 is given 0.40, so pi by 4 0.40 square, that will come 0.1256 meter square. Then you are calculating the area at the outlet of the pipe at the section 2, outlet at the section 2, that is A2 is equal to pi by 4 D2 square. Then pi by 4 D2 is given 0.30 square, then it will come 0.0706 meter square. Like that we can calculate the area at the section 3. A3 is equal to pi by 4 d3 square, pi by 4 0.20 square, that will come 0.0314 meter square. So in this question, first you have to calculate the rate of flow. So the discharge of water through the pipe section 1, that is Q1, we can write, all of you know, the discharge of the pipe through the Q is equal to A into area into velocity. Now you are calculating the discharge at the section 1. So your Q1 is equal to A1 into V1. A1 just now you are calculated 0.1256 and V1 is 3, then it will come 0.3768 meter cube per second. Like that we can calculate the discharge at the section 2. So Q2 is equal to A2 into V2. So A2 is given 0.0706 into V2 is the 2, that will come 0.1412 meter cube per second. Accordingly, continuity equation, inlet is equal to outlet. The inlet we can write Q1, that is the inlet, and the outlet branches to 2 pi, that is Q2 plus Q3. So inlet is equal to outlet. So you can write Q1 minus Q2 is equal to Q3. Then Q1 just now you are calculated 0.3768 and Q2, that is 0.1412. Then if you calculate the Q2, that will come 0.2356 meter cube per second. So now you can already you calculated the rate of flow at the section 3. So easily you can calculate the V3. So all of you know that Q3 is equal to BA3 V3, that is 0.2356. So you can calculate the velocity at the section 3. So V3 is equal to Q3 by A3. Q3 is 0.2356. A3 is 0.0314. Then if you divide, that will come V3 is equal to 7.5 meter per second. Then this is the velocity, the 7.5 meter per second, that is the velocity in the water pipe, 20 centimeter of pipe. So you are get the answer. First question asks find the discharge in this pipe. So you are calculate the discharge at the each section, section 1, Q1, Q2 and the Q3, and that value is Q1 is 0.3768 and Q2 is 0.1412 and Q3 is 2356 meter cube per second. Then you have to calculate the velocity at the section 3, and that velocity is 7.5 meter per second. So we are solved two problems based upon the continuity equation. Thank you.